Hello everyone, and today I'll tell you how to use GPS on your Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro for more accurate tracking. So in order to do that, open up your Huawei Health application right here. Now, you gotta load some offline maps. So in order to do that, press your devices section, choose your device, make sure that your device is paired. Now go to offline maps. Choose your region and download your map. So in order to do that, let's choose it. So find your region and press download. It will install automatically. Now, in this exact application, find your exercise tab right here. Now, on this little map, find route. And here you can download a few routes which are available in your city. For example, this one. All right, press transfer to wearable. Press transfer and give it a few seconds to transfer. Okay, it was sent successfully. Press OK. Now let's grab our watches, activate them by pressing a crown on the bottom of the screen. Press it once again and find your route draw. Tap here, and here you can choose from one of few routes which you have downloaded. So let's choose our newest one. Press go to exercise and press go.
Workout started.
So now during your workout, you can see all your route and all the checkpoints on the watch. This will help you to stay on the track if you are unfamiliar with this territory. After finishing our workout, you'll see the results on your Huawei Health app. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.